Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to register and install for ZapInfo from scratch so that you can see how the entire process works. It should be relatively painless and easy, and we'll show you kind of a couple of getting started tips so that you can start zapping. You can go ahead and click in the upper right corner of the website. This will bring up the ZapInfo registration. It's a free registration that you can come in and use even our free trial version until you want to pick a paid plan. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in something here, test, and then pop in your name, right? You got to pick a password that's at least 9 or so characters, 10 or so characters long. And then just hit next page. Don't do login or reset password. You want to click next page. I'm going to go ahead and put that I work for ABC Company and that, yes, I want some awesome tips and tricks, and confirm you're not a robot, and then basically hit register. This will basically get you in to the registration. We do send out an immediate email validation or email kind of request here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like in just a second here. Here's your confirmation email. So I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm email, and this will bring me in and get my session started within ZapInfo. So now I'm going to say I'm a recruiter. You can say you're into sales and lead navigation, that kind of thing. Click next. Now again, you can everybody gets instantly into our free starter plan, which gives you up to 25 contacts. It won't find email addresses or help you to do kind of the bulk social messaging and engagement or import kinds of things, which are all things that ZapInfo can do. But at least it'll get you started. So you can either just close this dialog box, or if you want to pick one of our other plans, you can go ahead and do that. And certainly if you have a team and want to talk about getting a pilot or trial use, as well as a team demo and annual pricing, just click contact us and we'll get in touch. You can also get 2 months free if once you like using ZapInfo and you want to switch to our annual plan. You can do that by just clicking up here as well, and it'll take you to a different plan level. But again, you can go ahead and select these, pop in your credit card, and just start working. And you can switch between plans very easily anytime. So say you're going through a peak period and you really want a ton of contacts and big stuff. You can pick for 1 month $75, and if the project goes away and you want to switch back down, you can literally do this real time from month to month if you want to. So that's how that piece goes. Now, once you're through selecting the plan, you can install the ZapInfo extension. So it's a Chrome extension, and just click on Install from the Chrome Web Store. This will bring you over to the Chrome Web Store, where you can then click on the Add to Chrome button, and this will go ahead and add the extension into your Chrome browser. So hopefully you've been in Chrome the whole time, and this will go ahead and basically install the Chrome extension here. Once this has done this, it'll say, hey, it's been added. There's a little orange key up here in the upper right hand corner. You can click on that and click get started, and voila, you are now back in your welcome screen. Just go ahead and hit accept and continue on the terms, and now you have success and you're able to start using ZapInfo. So all of our welcome videos, including this one, will be listed within your welcome screen. From here, you can go ahead and start doing things like zapping your own LinkedIn profile. So if you click on this link, it should bring you over to your LinkedIn profile, and then you can go ahead and you will see the Zap button again up in the upper right-hand corner. Otherwise, you should start seeing the Z button either on the left side or right side of your browser, and you can go ahead and start clicking Zap, and this will go ahead and start bringing you into zapping data into your what we call your Zap board. Think of it like a shopping cart of contacts and talent that you can put into your system. Now, if you're a first level connection with people, it will go ahead and grab their email address, phone number, and other contact data into the Zap profile, and then you can go ahead and start zapping out to a PDF resume if you want, with your branding, your information. So if you're a staffing or consulting firm, you can literally, with one click, take a profile off and create a client-ready profile. So you can say, look, I don't want to show the contact or the candidate, but I do want it to show my information. I also want feedback or comments. I want the headshot, that kind of thing. And literally within one click, you'll be able to generate a branded profile. You could even put your firm's logo and all of that kind of stuff up here if you wanted to, and then present and send these resumes off to your staffing clients. Otherwise, you can go ahead and put people out to a web link to your clipboard. You can put them out into a spreadsheet if you want to. Or if you work with like Pipedrive or one of the other CRM applications, you can also add an integration in here. So you'll be able to see more and more different integrations to like Salesforce, to Beamery, Avature, Jibe, iSIMS, all of those can be integrated. And once those are integrated inside of your application, you'll also be able to click people here and say zap out to my application once the integration link is in place. So know that you'll be able to do that as well inside of your profile system. Now you can go ahead and update your profile data. This is that information where you could add your logo, you can add your photo, you can put your LinkedIn URL and information in here. So when you're generating those PDF profiles, they'll actually have all of your great data. You can also specify some of your different preferences, like if you want to put default lists in, if you'd rather have people work or personal email addresses, those kinds of things. You can also use our search library to instantly go see how you can search for people. So if you're trying to find nurses or CFOs or CEOs or whatever, you can see sample searches that all of our other users are using. Or if you want to see how to use ZapInfo, you can go to our knowledge base. So if you're curious about how to zap things on Facebook, you can come in here and there's plenty of videos on how you can utilize the tool on all of the different sites like Indeed, like LinkedIn, Twitter, any of the different accounts that you might be interested in pulling data from. So again, really great resources for you built right into the tool so that you should be able to install the ZapInfo tool, get back into your welcome screen, start utilizing some of these different capabilities on how to zap information back and forth. And of course, you can upgrade or downgrade anytime within your plan and preference area within there. So we hope you like the tool. Again, feel free to join our different user groups as well. We've got great user groups on Facebook and on Twitter that you can join quickly, ask questions, collaborate with even ZapInfo power users as well as some of our team if you want to do that as well. So enjoy using the tool and happy zapping.